Hi everyone, this is Miss Yael. First, I just want to say that I miss you all and I hope to be back at the Hive soon. But in the time being, I wanted to teach you guys a little skill, which is to plant some spinach. So I have some spinach seeds here and I'm going to show you how you can do this at your own space also. So I'll get my gloves on and we can get started. I'm going to take you over here to where we'll be planting these seeds, and I want to show you some of the important first steps here. So first we have some potting mix, some organic potting mix here, which we can fill up about 3/4 of the way in the pot. And I also have some compost. Compost is organic decaying material, so like vegetable waste that we can add here, and it gives some good conditioning, kind of like the conditioner we put in our hair. It gives it some really nice nutrients. So you pat that down in here. You can mix it around a little bit with the potting mix, and take these gloves off so you can see the seeds. We have our spinach seeds right here, and the idea with spinach seeds is to plant them 1 inch apart. And the way that we plant them is to actually, what people say, punch the seed into the soil. So we take our finger and we push it into the soil and cover that up. So I'm going to plant 1 inch apart in the soil here, and it might be surprising that we have such a small pot, but spinach can grow in pretty much any condition as long as it has a lot of sun and we water it properly. So I'm putting these seeds in here, I'm punching them in here every 1 inch, and they'll grow pretty big and tall. So once they start growing, we'll have to do what's called thinning them, which is where we go through and we take out some of the plants so that they're not overcrowded. Because when they're overcrowded, they start competing for the nutrients that we put in here originally and that we keep putting in here. So the final step is to make sure that our spinach pot has a lot of sun, because especially during this time in the spring, it's important that we get some really full sun onto this pot of newly planted spinach seeds. So I'm going to look around my space. I see right here there's a lot of sun, so I'm going to make sure to move the pot right there, and then I'm going to water it, and in about 15 days I'll start seeing the spinach leaves popping up. I hope to hear about some of the things you guys are planting or growing or cooking, and feel free to reach out about that. See you all soon.